Best robot vacuum for you. Are robot vacuums worth it? Well, let's see. A robot vacuum is usually higher in price than a traditional vacuum. But a robot vacuum can save you anywhere from minutes to hours of your time every week by taking care of a pretty thankless chore. That alone is reason enough for some people to consider buying one. Moreover, robot vacuums have come a long way. Robot vacuums are available to help you dispose of dust, pet hair, and other debris in your home without needing anything from you. For your convenience, we have included Amazon links of all products in the description. First robot is iRobot Roomba 675. Roomba 675 is a great option in very good price tag and includes amazing features. Like dirt detect sensors which alert your robot about dirtier areas of your home like high traffic spots and cleans them more thoroughly. And the 3-stage cleaning system and dual multi-surface brushes. All of cleaning function can be controlled through Google Assistant and Alexa, which allow you to start cleaning with just the sound of your voice. A full suite of advanced sensors allow Roomba to navigate under and around furniture and along edges. The newly updated iRobot Home app allows you to upgrade your overall cleaning experience. It suggests extra cleanings when pollen count is high or during pet shedding season. It can clean floors every day, learns your cleaning habits, automatically recharges, and runs for up to 90 minutes. For more detail of this product, find Amazon link in the description. Next robot is Roborock Robot Vacuum and Mop. Let's check out main features of this robot. It has dual gyro system together with motion tracking sensors. 5200 mAh battery offers 200 minutes of non-stop cleaning. Vacuum and mop simultaneously for sparklingly clean floors. 13 types of sensors combine to offer cliff sensing, collision avoidance, mid-clean charging, and minimize the likelihood of entrapment. And also includes height difference detectors to prevent accidental falls. Automatic recharges, app control and voice control functions, carpet boost function for thorough cleaning of carpets. We have included Amazon links of robot vacuum in the description.